All right, so when you come out from the little trail over there where the bunker wall is, as you can tell, you come straight across the street, and of course the doggy pot and the walkway down to the beach. Let's go. Well, come on, Miss Excited. She is pulling her mama to death. And of course we brought the kite. You gotta bring a kite, man. Huh? I bought pink for Jess. So hopefully there's some little girl playing out there so we can give it away, because we didn't go like I normally buy one. And that's just for any kid, you know, green, yellow, orange, you know. But I bought Jess a pink one. This is awesome. This is awesome. Yeah, I hear it. If you can see, it's a little wet right there. Oh, yeah, it's right there. Yeah, this is super cool.
Like we're walking over to Mars.
Yep. So beautiful out here. And wow, it goes for a ways too.
Oh. Gator gonna get you, come on.
Yeah. Don't mess with gator water.
Okay, I know Rufus used it there.
How you know his name was Rufus?
Because you said Frank was back there.
Oh. Check this out. Beautiful here. I can't believe I haven't been here yet. We even made it to the ocean. It's amazing scenery. Oh. Oh, nice. There's a fork in the road. Goes back to the place built there, as you can see the gate. And we're headed towards the ocean that you can see there. Yeah. And there we have it. Be at the ocean.